Dear students, in last class we have done exercise 12.2 up to questions number 8. Now today I am going to proceed the remaining questions of exercise 12.2 chapter area related to circles. Question number 9. Open your NCERT book and see the figure and questions also. A brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 mm. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in the figure. Find first the total length of the silver wire required, second the area of each sector of the brooch. Okay, a brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle of diameter 35 mm. The wire is used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors. Figure is given. Draw the figure first. Okay, circle 5 diameters. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this design made up of silver wire, the form of a circle, and 5 diameters are there. Diameter is given. Diameter 35 millimeter. Then radius 35 by 2 millimeter. Okay, we have to find length of silver wire required, and these 5 diameters divide the circle into 10 equal sectors. We have to find out area of each sector also. Okay, so first of all we have to find length of silver wire. Okay, first the length of silver wire equal. So this circle is made up of silver wire and 5 diameters are also made up of silver wire. Means circumference of the circle and 5 diameters are made up of silver wire. So circumference plus 5 into diameter is the length of silver wire. So circumference 2 pi r plus 5 into diameter. Clear? So 2 pi r, so 2 into 22 by 7 into r 35 by 2 plus 5 into diameter 35. So 2 to cancel, 7 5s are 110 plus 175, 285 millimeter. We get length of silver wire 285 millimeter. Okay, means this boundary of the circle is made up of silver wire and these 5 diameters. We have to find length of silver wire. So nothing else. We have to find the sum of circumference of the circle and 5 diameters. That is length of wire. Second part. These 5 diameters divide the circle into 10 equal sectors. We have to find area of each sector. So very simple. This circle is divided into 10 equal sectors. Then area of circle divided by 10, we get area of each sector. Okay. So area of each sector equal to pi r square upon 10. Now use pi equal to 22 by 7 into r 35 by 2 into 35 by 2 into 1 upon 10 as it is. Now calculate 5 the 5 2. Okay, 11 5 the 55, 5 11 3 the 33, 5 38 upon how much? 4 millimeter square. Okay, so simple. Now come to next. Question number 10. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter, find the area between two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter, find the area between two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. Okay, figure is given. 8 ribs. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, we get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 sectors. Okay, and according to the questions, area of sectors are equal. Okay, area of sector we have to find means we have to find area between two consecutive ribs. Means area between two consecutive ribs means region occupied by two ribs. Okay, or region bounded by two radii means sector. We have to find area of the sector. So how many sectors formed? 8 sectors, equal sectors formed. It is given according to the questions. We have to find finally area between two consecutive ribs of the umbrella means we have to find area of sector. Radius is given. Radius, that is 45 centimeter. Okay, as previous, same thing we have to follow up. The circle is divided into 8 equal sectors. We have to find area of each sector. Okay, so nothing is area of circle divided by 8, we get area of each sector. So accordingly we have to write the area between the two consecutive ribs equal to area of sector formed, that is equal to pi r square upon 8. Okay, pi, value of pi not given means you have to consider 22 by 7 into r square 45 into 45 whole upon 8. Okay, 2 4s are 11. Finally 28 22275 centimeters square. So simple. Okay, come to next. Question number 11. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 cm sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 cm sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. There are two blades, okay, of wipers, okay, do not overlap each other. So suppose one blade covered this much area, another blade also covered this much area, okay. Length of blade 25, figure is not given, 25 centimeter, 25 centimeter, and sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. This angle is given 115 degree. 115 degree. You have to find out area swept by the blades. Okay, this area you have to find out. Listen again. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 cm sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. Okay. So length of blade of wiper given 25 cm. Blade do not overlap each other, and angle of sweeping is given, that is 115 degree. You have to find area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. Okay, in one sweep, how much area cleaned? Okay, so length of blade is given, that is radius 25 centimeter, and theta equal to 115 degree. Two sector formed. You have to find area of both the sectors, but dimension of sectors remains same. Better you have to find area of one sector, then you have to multiply it by 2. We get area cleaned by the blades. So first of all, you have to write area cleaned by the blades equal to 2 into area of sector formed. Okay. Now thereafter calculation 2 into pi r square theta upon 360 area of sector we have written. So that is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 25 into 25 into 115 upon 360. Okay, now calculation only. 5 into 5 into 10, 5 into 10, 5 into 15, 5, 7 into 5 into Okay, now calculation is only left. 25 into 25, 625 into 2, 12, 30, 36, again 11, 80. Now I have to calculate then 7 into 80, 126. 625 into 11 into 23. 1, 5, 8, 1, 2, 5. Okay. Check my calculation also. It is maybe wrong. So this is the mechanism only. Now come to next. Question number 12. Okay, to warn ships for underwater rocks, a lighthouse paid a red color light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 kilometer. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. To warn ships for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spreads a red color light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 kilometer. Okay. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. Okay. To warn ships for underwater rock, a lighthouse spread a red color light over a sector of angle 80 degree. Okay. Suppose figure is not given. It is lighthouse, and suppose one red light is there. This red color light moved. Okay. Spread a red color over a sector of angle 80 degree, making angle 80 degree, and the distance covered by the red light is 16.5 kilometer. On sector form 16.5 kilometer. Okay. You have to find area of the sector according to the questions. The lighthouse. Okay. One red color light is there. It is moving. Okay. At an angle of 80 degree. The distance covered by red color light, that is 16.5 kilometer from a sector. We have to find how much area covered by the light. So finally, we have radius of the sector. So formed, that is 16.5 kilometer, and theta is given 80 degree. Now thereafter, according to questions, you have to write the area of the sea. Over which the ships are warned, equal to area of sector formed. Okay, area of sector formed on a pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Value of theta is given 80 degree. Pi is 3.14. Written radius 16.5 into 16.5 into 80 upon 360. Now there are only calculation left. Calculate, you have to calculate yourself. I think answer is 189.97 kilometers square. Very simple, you have to find only area of sector, whatever story is given, no problem at all. Okay, first of all you have to go through the questions and think about the questions which identify the shape of the figure so formed, and then you have to proceed. Okay, so simple. Now thereafter, next is question number 30. One figure is given. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in the figure. If the radius of the cover is 28 cm, find the cost of making designs at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. Figure is given, round table cover. Okay. Round table cover has 6 equal designs. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 designs are there. Figure is given. Draw the figure, everybody. A, B, C, D, E, F. These are the designs. All designs are equal. Suppose it is center O. So round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in the figure. The radius of table cover is 28 cm. So radius equal to 28 cm. Find the cost of making designs at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. So first of all, you have to find area of all 6 designs. Okay, we have to identify the shape. Area of one design. Suppose AB is there. Okay, AB is a chord. It is design. It is known as what? You have to identify the shape. Story is given. Okay. So it is what? A chord is there, AB. A chord divides a circle into 2 regions known as segment. Smaller one is minor segment and bigger one is major segment. Segment. Area of segment equal to, you know, area of sector minus area of triangle AOB. Okay. You have to join OA, OB. So area of sector minus area of triangle AOB. Area of sector minus area of triangle AOB. Central angle is not given. So what you have to do? All designs are equal. Okay. Then all chords are equal. So how many chords are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In a circle, there are 6 equal chords. And in class 9th we have learned what? Equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. So this equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. So how many chords are there? 6. We get 6 equal angles at the center. Then each central angle equal to 360 by 6. We get central angle of each sector theta. Okay, theta is required, radius we have. Whenever you have to find out area of sector, we require radius and central angle theta. Okay, so first of all you have to write what designs are given. Okay. Since all 6 designs are equal, therefore chords are equal. The AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DE equal to EF equal to FA. But equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. So then angle AOB equal to 360 upon 6 equal to 60 degree, that is equal to theta. Okay. Now thereafter we have to find area of design. Okay. Thereafter we have to find area of 6 designs. So whatever we get, that you have to multiply by 6. So finally you have to write now area of 6 designs equal to 6 into area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector minus area of triangle AOB. So 6 into area of sector pi r square theta upon 360 minus area of triangle. You have to use that formula, 1 by 2 r square sine theta, that is 60 degree. So take out r square as common. Visible? 6 into r square, we have pi into theta upon 360 minus half into sine 60 degree. Okay. Now thereafter theta 60 and 28 radius 28. Now put the values. 6 into 28 into 28 into pi. Pi it is given. Now root 3 equal to 1.7 given. So pi you have to write 22 by 7 into theta how much? 60 upon 360 minus half into root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Okay, thereafter we have to find cost actually. So rate is given, that is 0.35 per centimeter square. So then the cost of designs equal to 0.35 into 6 into 28 into 28 within bracket 6, 22 by 7 into 6 1 by 6. minus 1.7 upon 4. Look at this calculation you have to do and answer whatever 162.68 rupees. Okay, so very simple, but long calculation is there. So round table cover, radius given 28 centimeter. There are 6 equal designs. You have to find cost of design. Rate is given rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. Okay, the shape of design is segment. You have to find area of segment, and that you have to multiply by 6. You get area of 6 designs, and thereafter whatever you get area of 6 design, that you have to multiply by 0.35. Then we get the cost of making designs, and whatever you get, that is your answer. Okay, this much only. The calculation is your part. You have to calculate and check my answer is correct or not. Clear? So this much only given in 12.2. Now your homework. Exercise 12.2 complete. Okay, that's all. Thank you and have a nice day.